Do you want to earn or save money, but think you don't have enough resources or experience? In this video, I'll show you 7 unusual ways to use things you already have at home, as well as free tools, to improve your financial situation. Stay until the end, because trick number 7 is especially surprising. Microtasks are small online activities that pay a few dollars per task. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, or Swagbucks offer such tasks. It takes a little time, but is perfect for beginners and requires no previous experience. You don't need expensive software to start freelancing. Free online tools like Canva, ChatGPT, or GIMP allow you to offer design, writing, or digital product services without any investment. Set up a profile on Fiverr or Upwork and start with simple tasks. You don't need expensive software to start freelancing. Free online tools like Canva, ChatGPT, or GIMP allow you to offer design, writing, or digital product services without any investment. Set up a profile on Fiverr or Upwork and start with simple tasks. Use old items and turn them into something useful or decorative. For example, an old table can become a shelf, or an old t-shirt can become a bag. Sell these products online or to friends. This is a fun way to make money and reduce waste. If you know something specific, you can create PDF guides, templates, or small courses and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. This is completely digital and doesn't require shipping, which means you can earn money while you sleep. This trick is especially interesting. Use free AI tools and script to automate tasks that would otherwise take time. For example, you can generate content for social media, create images or video clips, and sell them. Very few people use these methods, so you can gain an advantage. All of these tricks are accessible to everyone, even without experience or big resources. Start with the one that suits you best and gradually add the others. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more unusual tricks and tips.